Okay, guys, so we're heading into Walmart now, and we're going in to get some
Takis!
This is like a new snack out, Takis. Never heard of it. Everybody's talking about it, and we are going to try it, right, guys? Okay, guys, so we're in the snack section.
Look for Takis.
Yeah. We're looking for the Takis.
Mommy, have that.
Oh, Joe, I see some. Ooh, what flavor is this one? Ketchup. You want to try that one or no?
No, the purple.
Purple? But I don't see purple. What flavor is the purple? This is like a ranch. Oh,
Wait, is that ketchup?
yeah. Is there a different? Yeah, this one just says ketchup.
Alright, let me check.
You gonna try the ketchup? Which one you gonna try, Mickey? You wanna try this one?
Have a little ketchup.
You want a ketchup too?
Yeah.
Okay.
A little ketchup.
Okay, so Michaela wants to change hers. Okay, this one is Buckin Ranch. I don't know. Okay, so we gotta put the ketchup one back. I don't know. Is that all the flavors they have for Takis?
Actual one is actually it doesn't have purple then white.
Oh, it's just full purple? Oh, okay. Oh, what flavor is that one though? Because they only have like 2 flavors there. That's all. All right. Well, we need to get some more snacks. So put your Joe, put your thing in.
Mommy, smell
your-
the candy.
Oh, don't worry about candy, Mickey. We don't want to eat too many candies, right? Or else it's gonna damage your teeth. Okay, I think that's it.
A little mouthwash.
No, I don't need. May have mouthwash. I don't need that. Okay, so I think we're finished with our groceries for now. Oh. Mhm.
Let's go.
Hello. That's your favorite one, eh, Joe?
Yeah.
Let's see. Put it.
Mommy, are you? What about this?
I'm gonna try that one. It says non-spicy. Yeah.
What about the other one?
Which other one? Put your one there, Sino. Yeah.
Are you still trying yet?
Yeah, we have 3 that we're going to
My
try.
is not spicy.
No, I don't think it's spicy. But I think this one is spicy though.
That's spicy.
Yeah, the
I
purple.
tried it. Yeah, that was spicy.
Okay. Let's see. Where's your toothpaste? Say hi. You say hi? Say hi. Hi, friends.
Alright, this belongs to the freezer.
Yes. Meatball food there.
But just one.
Uh-oh.
Alright.
Uh-oh. So, Mickey is washing the grapes. Washing the grapes. Good job, Mickey. All done?
Yeah.
Good job. Thank you, Mickey. Okay, guys. Are you ready to try out these Takis?
Yeah.
Okay. I've got to see what color this one is. Ooh. Okay.
I know what that is.
Yeah, yellow. And then
it's deep orange.
Okay. All right. So let's do this one.
It's called tomato.
Yeah, ketchup. Okay. Let's put that one here. Okay. So that's that. This one here.
Oh no.
And then the last one is this one here. Fugo or something like that. Fugo. Let's see. Oh gosh. Rocking this thing. I think this one goes. I don't know where it goes. I'm gonna throw it out so we don't mix it up. Okay, guys. So all 3. Yeah, these two look similar. Okay, so we're ready to try it. So let's do this one first. Take one. Gonna try it. Hmm.
Mm.
What do you guys think?
Good. Good.
It's cheesy.
Nah, this nacho.
Yeah, you're right. It's.
Nacho man.
Mm-hmm. I like it actually. Just a little bit cheesy,
Yeah, look.
natural.
Yeah, that's nacho. I like it.
Listen, you want to try? All right. So
I suggest you should have blue.
okay. The next one is ketchup. So take one.
Mm-hmm.
Is this one spicy? I don't know. Let's see.
Okay. It's not spicy. Ooh, it is. Yeah! I can barely handle it. Spicy!
You're so spicy? Oh, Mickey, you need to get some juice. Go get some juice, Mickey. Go get some juice. Hurry up, hurry up.
Mommy, there's no juice!
There's no juice? No. Let me check. Let me see. There's literally no juice. There's no juice in this box. Who left an empty juice box in the fridge? Okay, so who drank all the juice?
Mickey. No.
Joe, is it you?
No.
Mickey, is it you?
No!
Are you sure?
No!
I'm gonna find out who drank all the juice. Okay, Mickey, there's no juice, so you have to go get your water bottle and drink some water. Water is the best. Okay? Until I find out who did this. All of this because of Takis.
My tongue is not on fire now.
It's not on fire anymore?
No.
Okay, good. Water is the best, that's right. Okay. Guys, I found a cup in Josiah's bed. Let me smell, yeah. It smells like somebody was drinking juice up there. Let's go find the culprit. Joe, what are you doing in Michaela's bed? This is not your bed, okay? And guess what? I found a cup in your bed. So you're the one who drank the juice?
Sorry, Mom. I didn't mean it.
Okay, that's okay. Okay, guys, there's something I want to tell you guys. So, whenever something happens, mommy wants you guys to tell the truth always, right? Because telling the truth is very, very important, right? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Good job. Keep coming, Blessing. Blessing, keep coming.